we are doing now is the market precision analysis. So for the pair we are trading. So and actually, as you can see, okay. So it has been long since I've recorded videos. So on my daily analysis, due to some changes, some issues I got to deal with. So, but today we'll be doing the top 10 analysis. So, on the time permitted for all, because duration of this time is 20 minutes. So, once it's gone, video is gonna close. So, I want to analyze everything maybe within 20 minutes. The four pair, do everything. So, and the pair we are going to be analyzing because precision analysis before the market open. So, this is a daily routine we've got to follow. You have to prepare ahead before the market open because once the volatility starts to picks up, market opens, the volatility starts to picks up. So, sometimes you may get the emotion and you might not be patient. You might tend to make a lot of mistakes. So, we probably can lead you to stack analysis. So, here we are today. So, good morning, everyone. My name is Tajid Khalid. So, I'm a co-founder of Bravo One FX, MechanicaTrader.com. So, and that's that. So, don't let us waste much of our time because 2 minutes is already gone. Let's get back there. So, the first thing for us we have to do here, we have to clear our chart. Everything. So, clear our chart. So, Euro USD, we have to clear our chart. We have to clear our chart. So, NASDAQ, we have to clear our charts. So you have to clear our charts. So USDT, we just have to clear our charts. So that's that. So wanna keep the chart simple and clear so that there won't be a lot of jargons, might sound as confusion or which maintains you to make a lot of mistakes when trying to figure out your direction in the market. So the first thing we got to do here, because I've jotted down my rules. So what we have to do. Oh, sorry, I haven't jotted down here. I've jotted it somewhere, but still I can still say it. So the first thing is for us to go to our time frame. That's what we look for the narrative. So we go to our time frame, starting from from gold. So when we got the other time frame, what are we looking for? The first thing we have to check out is what. So what's our current swing range? So as you can see, if you take the direction path, as you can see we have high, low, high breakout, low, another breakout, then low, we change trend. So pullback, low, pullback, we expect this one to break out. So we expect to break out. So this might be what the next number pullback and then what and then down. So after that, if you check it out, so that direction, so I like for everything to be black. So as you can see, so weak is a breakout for me. So that's what I'm saying. So actually, I'm still gonna back test between which one pays me much. So this is the week or body break. So I'm gonna back test on that to determine which one works for me most of the time. But currently, my belief is that week is a break of structure. Why? Because on the 4 time frame, if you have a week as a break of structure, when you get to 15-minute time frame, it's actually body break. So that's why. So now we clear this. So as you can see, we already know our direction and what 4 time frame we have this time trade. So we have our trend change here. So we have our trend change. So our trend change. So our trend change here. So we have our trend change here. Then we pull back. Step pull back because if you move to 15-minute time frame, you can actually see that so it's a trend. And pull back, then another pull back, another pull back. Now they are current trading. So as you can see, we are currently here. So 4 hour swing high, 4 hour swing low. Oh no, sorry. 4 hour swing high. So this is 4 hour swing high. Then 4 hour swing low. Then had a block of structure, 4 hour block of structure. So that 4 hour block of structure here, so as you can see clearly. So that's sorry. So as you can see, now what's the next thing we got to do? Sorry. So the next thing we got to do here is what? So move to a 15-minute time frame and look for the same thing we do here. Actually, if you check of our what our Fibonacci, so back over 50. So they'll go to 15-minute time frame. So after going to get to the 15-minute time frame, so as you can see, we're currently in a trend. And what according to my rule is that so when we have a bullish or a bearish 4 hour time frame, then we go check on FM 15 minutes what are we. So in 15 minutes, so we're probably what? We're probably so bullish. Why? So we are what? This, this, so we have this, structure, back, other pullback, structure, maintain trend, and swing bullish again. So here you can what? You can be trading in and out, trading in and out. Because structure, so don't book structure again. So usually this is what F15 microstructure. So what's our current swing range? So our current swing range here. So we have this one microstructure. So you see everything here between here is just an internal pullback. So we had a microstructure, pullback, microstructure. We play this market to pull back here, but if you break out this previous low, we actually trend change because if your low or high is strong enough, it shouldn't weak. So that is that. Now we look for our current swing range. So as you can see, we've already know that we're in uptrend. So we know to according to my rules that the market is bearish and the M15 is bullish. We trade in and out. We don't take sniper entry. So as you can see here, we have MG 15-minute high. So and 15-minute low and a 15-minute break of structure. A 15-minute break of structure. So now, so somewhere here like this, so if you're going to trade it, probably go to what 115 times very tight. So then we look forward our as you can see, then we go to what 1 minute time frame. So when we go to 1 minute time frame, what are we looking for? We are looking for trend change. So if we are looking for trend change, these are what our supply demand zone. So me, I expect what there should be a change, trend change. So waiting for trend change, if you have this, we have this, so I expect it was to be like this. So when we pull back to the particular man, we will target our what? Our previous high. So you can just put what? Limit order here. Limit order. Limit what? Limit order. And target so that previous high. So that's just the analysis for M15. Because if 4 hour, as you can see, a 4 hour is what is bullish and M15 is bearish, you can take sniper entry. Take for example. So but 4 hours is in trend change. Now we see bearish. So we trend change from point here to pull back. You can just what take an entry here to go out with 150-minute time frame here. Minute time frame. But there's a high chance that market may not pull back to that point until the turn reverse. So I think this is taking time a lot. So now, so we have this, we have this, we have this. Trend change. So, so then again, we change, we trend change. So and from here, as you can see, we have this, we trend change, pull back, we put our stop loss above this one, move this high, then take that entry like that. Then you can what? You can take the sniper entry, sniper entry. So go back to 50-minute time frame. So you can actually take the sniper entry down here, down here. So you can actually, so there's a high chance the market might not pull back to this point or to this point. When it's pull back to this point, so we don't there's nothing we can do. That's gone. Look for another trade. So and that's just it. So you can see, I'm going to check this. Look, that's just analysis for so you can see we have the trend change from this point here. So trend change. So from this one here. So now pull back to this one. A little trend change. You take the entry. So then go. The market is about to what? To move closer. So we see, you see this one. We are seeing the sniper entry and market just already trend change. We can close our entry. So and when market trend change again, a sniper entry, and that's just when market moves to my understanding. So same thing go for Euro USD. What are you doing in Euro USD? First we go to 4 hour time frame. So what are we checking out? So actually you can what look trend. So look break trend from here, pull back, then we keep going back. So grab liquidity, keep going, pull back, break out. So we are in downtrend on 4 hour time frame. Now we look for our current swing range. So 4 hour swing high and 4 hour swing low. So 4 hour swing low here. So then our break of structure, 4 hour break of structure. So now we go to what we look for our what our measurement. So we're going to pull to the 15, the 50, or close to 50, and go to 50-minute time frame. 50-minute time frame. So what are we? A 50-minute time frame. We're probably on uptrend, right? So this is 50-minute time frame. Hmm. Probably see maybe we're probably so we're probably on pull back. We're going to pull back to this point. So and this is what strong glue. We don't want to then fade it. So uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. We try what? Try to pull it back to this point here. Market already hit 50. Market already hit 50%. We can go to 1 minute time frame and check for that. So maybe the market has already hit 1% there. Let's check it out. So maybe probably the market has already hit. So hit 50%. So 50% entrenching here. You can take an entry from this point here. So from this point here, so you just take an entry. You're gonna have big stop loss. So and that is how we so here it goes. That's how it goes. So you can see here. You can see here. There's a higher that market will not try to cause. It touches towards 50 minutes. Okay, that's probably when the market is switching bullish. So the market is switching bullish. So I'm just based where the market is going to go and base. So the market will go high. We're going high at this point. But the market has already go high at this point. Doubt it. I don't have a clear structure. The market has been consolidating. So when there's consolidation, so you try to what, move away from that particular pair. So maybe we'll come back for another year session. So maybe there is going to be a clear structure for us to mark out. As you can see here, what you can see here. So it's so that is that for the two pair. So for the Nasdaq and for the UST, I'm gonna do the analysis later. So the market is opening, and that is how we have. So USD, what are we looking for? We're looking for buy. So Euro USD, no current entry. Thank you very much. That's for today.